Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Uconnect system. First, visit the official Uconnect website and enter your vehicle's 17-digit VIN to check for available software updates. You'll need a computer and a USB flash drive, ideally between 4 GB and 32 GB in size. Make sure your Jeep Grand Cherokee is parked safely, as it will need to remain running during the update process. Next, prepare your USB drive. It's crucial to format it to FAT32, otherwise, your Uconnect system won't recognize the update. Download the software update file, usually a zip, to your computer. Do not unzip it directly onto the USB. Instead, extract the contents of the zip file to the root directory of your FAT32 formatted USB drive. Now head to your vehicle. Start the engine and keep it running. Plug the USB flash drive into one of the USB ports in your media hub. Your Uconnect system should detect the update and display prompts on the screen. Confirm the update and allow the system to install. This process can take approximately 10 to 30 minutes, so please do not turn off the ignition or remove the USB drive. Once the update is complete, your Uconnect system will reset. After it reboots, verify that the new software version is installed. If you encounter any issues such as flickering or connectivity problems, a factory reset of the Uconnect system or repairing your Bluetooth devices can often help. For any persistent concerns, your local Jeep dealership service department is ready to assist you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.